Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach Social Science Lesson 3. I am your Social Science teacher, M. Jaya. The title of the lesson is Municipality and Corporation. In our last video, you learnt about what is municipality and corporation. Children, already I told you it is very important lesson. In this lesson, you must know about municipalities and their duties, the structure of local bodies, and the function of corporation and town panchayat, then source of income for municipality and corporation. The structure of the local body divided into two groups. One is rural, second one urban. Again, the urban local bodies are classified into three. They are corporation, municipality and town panchayat. Likewise, the rural local bodies are classified into three. They are district local body, taluk, grama panchayat. Children, do you know what is panchayat? The word panchayat means a committee of 5 persons or elders. Members of the village panchayat, the head of the panchayat is called the president. Okay, children, the head of the panchayat is called the president. The members of the panchayat are elected by the people of the village who are 18 years and above. The members of the village panchayat elect the president of the panchayat. Students, in last video already I taught you what is municipality, what is corporation. Shall we study about town panchayat? Okay, children, listen. The village panchayat functions are the village panchayat arranges medical services and drinking water, then street lighting and maintaining libraries, and provides adult education centers for the village people. The village panchayat maintains cleanliness of the village. These are functions of a village panchayat. The important functions of a village panchayat are construction, repair and maintenance of all village roads. Children, Tamil Nadu consists of 33 districts, 386 panchayat unions and 12,620 grama panchayats. Children, now I am going to teach about town panchayat. Town panchayat. In India, Tamil Nadu is the only state that introduced town panchayat system besides municipality and panchayat. The town panchayat functions exceeds 5,000 people. The head and the ward people are elected directly by the people. The tenure of the president and the member is 5 years. The tenure means period of time, that is 5 years. Okay children, the duties of town panchayat are providing electricity and street lamp and removing garbage, carrying hygiene and sanitation activities, maintaining birth and death records, constructing and repairing roads and small bridges, and maintaining libraries, providing drinking water. These are duties of town panchayat. Children, the head and the members of corporation was elected by the people directly. The chairperson of the corporation was called mayor. He is also called as the father of the corporation. The tenure of the members of the corporation is 5 years. Already I told you the meaning of tenure, that is period of years. The tenure of the members of the corporation is 5 years. Most of the urban areas have corporation. The municipal corporations are Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, Tirunelveli, Vellore, Tuticorin, Tirupur, Erode, Tanjore, Dindigul, Hosur, Nagercoil. At present, Tamil Nadu government has declared Nagercoil as the 14th corporation. How many corporations in Tamil Nadu? 14th corporation. Tamil Nadu has 14 corporations. Children, again I am telling the duties of corporation. Okay. The duties of corporation are constructing and maintaining the city roads, providing drinking water facilities, disposing garbage, constructing libraries and maintaining them, creating parks and maintaining them, maintaining of birth and death records. Children, the oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The father of local self-government is Lord Ribbon. The father of local self-government is Lord Ribbon. The tenure of municipality is 5 years. The tenure of municipality is 5 years. Children, how is the president of municipality is elected? The president of municipality is elected by the people directly. The president of municipality is elected by the people directly. Okay, tell me now, what is the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? Yes, 14 corporations. The total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? There are 14 corporations. Father of municipality is called president. Father of corporation is called president. How many municipalities in our Tamil Nadu? 146. 146 municipality. How many corporations? 14. The tenure for municipality 5 years. That same tenure 5 years for corporation. Children, what are the taxes paid by your parent? We are paying house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax and drainage tax. It also forms the income of municipality. We have to pay the taxes. That is the income of our government. Children, I hope you all understood well. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.